This item is indeed scheduled for action. So, Mr. Chair?
Well, thank you very much, Madam President. And you heard my comments before, so I'll refer to those. But there was a unanimous vote with the issue of the additional testing that's a part of this as well that I think is extremely important. But the committee did recommend approval of the requested appropriation of $488,802 to complete the artificial turf installation at Somerset Elementary School. That was a unanimous vote from the committee and is now before you as full council.
Thank you. And let me just note, and the source of funds is the contribution.
Yes.
Yeah. It's not
Absolutely.
so clear to the public. Indeed. So let's see. This is a, we have a motion by committee. All in favor, please signify by raising your hands. And that's unanimous among those present. Present, 8-0. Go forth and get your field built. We are now in recess. We